Hey guys, today we are doing our June empties, so let's get into them. First thing I used up was this Hideaway Pink Sugar Scrub. I do love these sugar scrubs from Hideaway. I think they're quite nice. They do a nice job at exfoliating, and they also smell really nice. I've said it before, the only thing I don't like is the packaging because it's just... But whatever, apart from that, I do really like these. So yeah, use that one up. I do really like this pink sugar scent. It smells really nice. My favourite one is the black sugar. So I don't need any more body care at the moment, but when I do, I really want to go, buy some things off Hideaway. I've also seen their new, I think they have like new perfume dupes and stuff like that, and I really want to try some of those out. I feel like they'd be really fun to do a video on. So when I get some of my skincare and body care down, I do want to place a Hideaway order. I do really enjoy Hideaway products. Also from Hideaway, this is the Hideaway whip soap in black sugar, and I'm so confused because this is gone, right? And I swear I don't remember using these. Kate must have been using this and not even me knowing. I love the whip soaps, and this scent is so amazing, the black sugar. One of my all-time favourite scents. It's inspired by YSL Black Opium, and oh, it's just so nice. Yum, 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 yum. So if you're going to try something from Hideaway and you like Black Opium, Black Sugar I cannot recommend enough. And I love the whip soap formula from Hideaway. They last quite a long time as well. It's 450 mils. And yeah, I feel like it's a really nice formula. And they're quite decently priced as well for how much you get. So I enjoy those. I finally used up my Peel Away base in Rumour 01. This is so old. It's still got the old packaging. And I feel like it even still looks like you could probably get like... Look. That's how much was left in there. So I probably could have used that up. But honestly, I've had this. I would love to know how long I've had this for. I reckon it'd be close to like 4 or 5 years or something like that. So it's just lasted so long. And I use this every time I do my makeup. Or every time I do eyeshadow at least. Because, yeah, I don't use any other bases. So this held on for the longest time. Like forever. So... I really love this base. I've already got a new one. In fact, I've got 3, I think. So I'm going to be stocked probably for the rest of my life. Also from Peel Away, I used up one of the lip conditioners. This one was in the shade, I think it was Strawberry Daiquiri or something. Now, this is looking worse for wear. Like, look at it. It doesn't even have the cap on it anymore. Like, everything's faded because I've had this in my car for so long. I lost the cap, I don't know, a couple months back. I don't know what happened. But it's been chilling in my car and I've just been... This is like, I think the first lip balm that I've ever used up. And I've just had this in my car since I got it. And yeah, I've got a new one in there now. But I couldn't believe that I actually used up a lip balm. Like, I've never ever done that before. I do really like these. I think they're nice. And they're super cute as well. And they've got so many different flavours. Apparently, you're only meant to use these for 6 months. I would have had mine for about... Oh, I don't know. A year or 2 maybe? Not longer than that, I don't think. But yeah, finally used up my lip balm. So this is the Too Faced Damn Girl Mascara. There's still product left in here, but honestly, I tried to put it on the other day and it was just dried and crusty. I love this mascara. I think it's really nice. I actually probably need to get some new mascaras because a lot of mine are expired, like, real bad. So I need to buy some new mascaras, but I just haven't in such a long time. But yeah, I do really like this one from Too Faced. I think it's really nice. It's really like volumizing and like makes your lashes so fluffy and nice and full, and I do really enjoy that mascara. Used up a Duo lash glue. I've gone through maybe 4 or 5 of these, I think. These do last forever. Like, I don't buy them very often. I think I've used up 4 or 5 in all of my time doing makeup, so I don't think I've ever used any other lash glue. And I immediately bought a new one. I bought this before I used this up because I just can't survive without it. So yeah, I really like these. They last forever. And it's such a good lash glue. It's one that I swear by. I used up these 2 professionals. We have the Hydrate one and also just the normal one. Obviously this is a little tiny mini. I do really like the professional. I don't love it as much anymore. It used to be my all-time favourite primer. I think I'm more into like glowy primers now, but I still do like it. It's a really nice pore filling primer. I don't like the Hydrate one as much. I think it's nice, but it's also a little bit like, I don't know, I just prefer the original better, I think. So yeah, that was all of my empties for this month. I feel like I don't have heaps, but I still had, you know, a fair amount. I feel like it doesn't look like much because they're all kind of smaller items. But yeah, those were my empties for June. So I'm hoping we can use up some more products in July. I think that we're going to get through some skincare products and stuff, hopefully. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!